Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to freeze your credit on Experian. So the first step is to simply sign up for a free Experian account and then simply place a freeze to limit access to your Experian credit file and unfreeze or schedule a tow anytime and get alerts when your freeze status changes, and basically that's all you have to do. So as you can see, there are a few questions here. How long does a security freeze last? So a security freeze will remain on your credit file until you remove it. Do you need a PIN to manage a security freeze? So you no longer need a PIN to manage your credit freeze with Experian. All you need is a free Experian account to manage your freeze. And then here you have other questions. As you can see, like this one: how can I unfreeze my credit file? So you can permanently remove / lift a security freeze on your credit file with one click, or schedule an unfreeze for a specified time period. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.